I want to say the whole video is being filmed in a 4:3 format with the GoPro. I just didn't do a proper settings on it before starting to film, but here it is right now, and here we go. Let's go into repair. If we look down in the mirror, we'll see that leak is coming from this cover on the bottom of this pump that it's on the left hand side of the engine. It's not mounted to the crankshaft like the other one. That's at least what I believe. So I'm going to attempt to tighten that up and see what happens. So it appears to be loose. Tighten it. It was loose. Alright, I'm gonna turn it on, see if it leaks again. This is how the gasket looked like right now. I don't know what in the world is going on over here. I'm gonna take that plug out and try to see if I can put maybe some kind of a O-ring that I have over here in my stash and go from there. But it was leaking again after I tightened it. I hope not too much oil comes out. All boogered up. Let's see if we can match something here. I want to say that one, F19. Just fit in there real good though. So maybe F19. We'll try that and see. I sincerely doubt this is even the correct one. But even a brand new stuff comes broken these days. I don't know. Do Kubota guys have these issues? Let me know down in the comments. Let's see how this feels when I screw it back in. I don't understand. How could something like this leave a factory? Now, when I received this machine, granted, I should have taken this more seriously. However, I did saw a leak, right? However, I penciled that to overflow on the overflow on a tank, on a hydraulic fluid tank over here. So when I touched the tube, for overflow tube, it was wet. So I was like, okay, maybe doing the PDI, they didn't do a really good job on figuring this out, and that maybe overflow it. So that's why we had a leak down there. So what I did, I cleaned everything up now, and then it looked like it's not leaking. Well, I was wrong. That was leaking. So let's see what we get now with this new O-ring. I don't even know if that's supposed to be in there or not, but you know what, I'll try and see if it leaks or if it smooshes itself down when you tighten it. Okay, let's see. Won't be able to record right now, but I will move the camera angle. Maybe I don't have to. Hold on. want to add one more thing to the before the next segment of this video. I did run Kioti this morning for a good 35-40 minutes while I was unloading the shingles from a truck, putting them on top of the lean-in that I built so I can have my other machines and the Kioti TL750 covered up. So here goes the next segment of the video. Raising up a cab on Kioti. The cab immediately rises. It has pretty strong shocks. Alright, so today's plan is to see if it leaks overnight or not after that repair with that O-ring gasket. Not really a pleasant first experience with this Kioti. I bought it from this place. Dealer has responded to me yesterday, said they were gonna pick it up and have it serviced. He says the girl will call me to get the schedule, but that never happened. I don't know, somewhere. But anyway, this is not first pleasant experience. That should have been caught in PDI. I don't think this cab was ever risen to see what's going on underneath here, to check it out and make sure that there's no leaks. There's no way nobody saw that leak. I had to put in 5 gallons worth of hydraulic fluid after 30 hours. Nope. It was visible as a day, the drip on that machine, the moment you turn it on. It wasn't a steady stream, but it was a drip, and I think that should have been caught in PDI. Okay, we'll see. I will ask a dealer to pay me for some labor and for some hydraulic fluid. It was $76 for 5 gallons of hydraulic fluid. Loser, stop. Looks clean and nice now. We'll see how long that lasts. I'll be really disappointed if it leaks again.